Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create an AI presentation using Tome AI. Let's get started. First, open the Tome AI on your browser. Then click the Create or New Presentation on the dashboard. Then here type a prompt like Create a presentation about your topic, and the Tome AI will automatically generate a slides, content, and layout based on your prompt. You can customize your presentation by editing the text, images, and layout design. Here you can also add a new slides or generate section if needed. Then here, once you're satisfied with the AI presentation, you can click the share or export to present or download your slides. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create an AI presentation using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.